Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name's Bill Herr. Today we're sitting on this beautiful, brand new 2026 Sea Ray 280 SLX outboard. Starting up here in the bow of the boat, you can see tons of seating area. You could have 3 to 4 people up here. Great area for the kids. Nice and deep in the boat. It's got safety grab handles. This boat, here we go out in the ocean and stuff like that. It definitely handle conditions. Just a great running boat. Very safe, very deep. Cup holders, lighting. You got everything up here that you need. Just a great option. You got storage under this seat here, another little storage area under here, so if you put your life jackets or lines or anything that you need, you're able to accommodate. This one is equipped with a windlass, so up here we do have a through hull. I got controls here as well as controls at the helm to be able to do that. So if you're going to want to beach the boat or hang out and watch fireworks, you're definitely able to do that on this boat. Nice wide walk-through area going back into the cockpit and helm of the boat. We do have the window that closes over, so if you want to block off some of the wind, you can do that. And it does have a wind door that closes as well. Over to the starboard side, you can see our beautiful helm layout, twin Simrad screens, everything's all touchscreen. This is kind of just like messing with an iPhone or an Android. The more you mess with it, the more you're going to learn what you can do. Whether you're setting it up to go take a trip somewhere, you just have to have control over the vessel, you can do that. Fusion stereo, you got speakers throughout. This boat is equipped with twin 250 Mercury outboards. So you do have dual throttle here as well as your joystick, which is one of the best options. You got Skyhook on there, so it's a digital anchor. It's going to hold you in position. If you're waiting to pull up to a restaurant, you got some slips, you got to tie up or get fenders and stuff like that set. You can throw that high Skyhook feature on, and you're able to kind of run around the boat and get those things done. While we're here up above us, this does have the power tower. So this will actually lower level. When it does come down, you can actually get right below the windshield. So if you're out and it starts to rain or anything like that, you can actually bring this down and kind of tuck in under here, and it's going to keep you out of the elements. Nice dual helm seat here. Over on the port side, got your head compartment, vacuum flush head, freshwater sink, a little bit of storage area in there, easy to get in and out of. You can swivel this co-captain chair here to be able to go back and add to the entertainment space of the cockpit, as well as the helm seat here as well. That swivels around, so if you are hanging out, you want to stay under the shade, you can do that. Below us on the floor, got that nice pattern seat back, very soft on our feet, nice and comfortable. Don't have to worry, you can wash it. It's very simple to maintain. Just wash it off with soap and water. We have storage under here that wraps around. You also have tables that go in here at the bow, so if you're going to go out, you're going to have a little bit of lunch or something like that. Enjoy that time out on the water, you can do that. Storage underneath back here where the engine compartment would be. Again, this is an outboard boat, no engine under there, so nice big storage area. John's showing you that nice big sun pad on the back. Great for when you do want to lounge out in the sun. But if you did want to get out of the sun, you do have the manual sunshade that I could push out here. It is strapped in so that it stays in place. But I could push this out, add a little bit of shade over the back there as well. So you don't have to cut your day short if people are getting hot. You can expand that shady area and just enjoy your time on the water. Under my feet right here, we do have a cooler. So again, if you're out somewhere, you don't feel like having people coming into the boat, bringing all that sand in, you can have your drinks and food and stuff like that down there. That way you don't have people running in and out of the boat. Again, the power of this boat, twin 250 Mercury Verados. Great power option, gets you up and going, able to handle conditions out in the ocean, gives you that joystick steering. They really check all the boxes on this boat. If you're looking for something to just have a great day out on the water, spend time with family and friends, definitely recommend the 2026 Sea Ray 280 SLX outboard. Again, my name is Bill Herr. We're here at MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. If you'd like to schedule a showing or a private walkthrough, you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at 609-926-0600. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.